Hello, everyone, and welcome to the very first episode of Health Tech Talks by iCris Pharma. I'm your host, Aditi, and today we are diving into a topic that is transforming healthcare as we know it: artificial intelligence in medicine. AI is not just a buzzword anymore, it's actively saving lives, enhancing research, and redefining the way we diagnose and treat diseases. And who better to talk about this than our esteemed guest, Dr. Iyer, a renowned oncologist and researcher who has been closely following AI's innovations in the medical field. Dr. Iyer, welcome to the show.
Thank you, Aditi. It's a pleasure to be here. AI is truly changing the landscape of healthcare, and I'm excited to share some insights today.
Let's start with the basics. AI has been making headlines everywhere. But for our listeners who may not be familiar, can you briefly explain what AI is and how it contributes to medical science?
Absolutely. AI refers to machines that can analyze data, recognize patterns, and make decisions with minimal human intervention. In medicine, AI plays a huge role in identification of disease, treatment planning, drug discovery, and even robotic surgeries. It processes vast amounts of medical data, something that would take humans years, to identify diseases early, recommend treatments, and personalize patient care. For example, AI-powered imaging tools can detect anomalies in X-rays, CT scans, and MRIs with incredible accuracy, sometimes even surpassing human radiologists.
That's incredible. AI seems to be revolutionizing every aspect of healthcare. Let's talk about one area where AI is making a significant impact: cancer research and patient care. AI is being used in oncology in so many ways. Could you share some real world applications where AI has improved cancer detection and treatment?
Certainly, AI is revolutionizing cancer research and patient care by analyzing massive datasets to find patterns that even expert oncologists might miss. Some notable AI applications in cancer treatment include enhanced cancer detection. AI is being used to analyze medical imaging for early cancer detection. For instance, the FDA has approved AI-based software that helps pathologists identify prostate cancer in biopsy images. AI is also being used for breast cancer detection through mammogram analysis, improving diagnosis rates. Precision oncology. AI helps doctors personalize cancer treatments. Instead of a one-size-fits-all approach, AI can analyze genetic data and predict which therapies will work best for a specific patient. AI in drug discovery. Developing cancer drugs is a long and expensive process. AI speeds up this process by identifying potential drug compounds faster. This means new cancer treatments can reach patients much sooner.
That's fascinating. And I believe some AI innovations are happening right here in India as well.
Absolutely. Here are a few exciting developments in India. AIIMS Delhi's AI for early cancer detection. AIIMS, in collaboration with the Center for Development of Advanced Computing, CDAC, Pune, has developed an AI system for early detection of breast and ovarian cancer. It was trained on 500,000 medical images and is already being used in cancer hospitals. AI-powered pathology management by Critiv. Singapore-based Critiv has partnered with Metropolis Healthcare and Rajiv Gandhi Cancer Institute in India to integrate AI into pathology workflows, improving diagnostic speed and accuracy. Robot-assisted ultrasound therapy at Amrita Hospital. Amrita Hospital is developing a robot-assisted ultrasound system that uses AI for non-invasive cancer treatment. This AI-driven system enhances therapies like hyperthermia to make radiation and chemotherapy more effective.
These advancements are truly groundbreaking. AI is not just assisting doctors but actively improving patient outcomes. So, with all these AI breakthroughs, what does the future of AI in healthcare look like? Do you think we'll see AI replacing doctors one day?
That's a great question, and I want to reassure our listeners, AI is not here to replace doctors, but to assist them. The future of AI in medicine is about collaboration. AI will continue to enhance medical decision-making, speed up diagnoses, and even help with remote healthcare access in rural areas. In the coming years, I believe AI will play a bigger role in 1. Real-time disease prediction. AI models will predict diseases before they manifest, enabling preventive healthcare. 2. AI-driven personalized medicine. AI will tailor treatments based on a patient's genetic profile, reducing trial and error in treatments. 3. AI-powered surgeries. Robotics and AI-guided surgeries will become more common, reducing surgical risks. 4. Global cancer surveillance. AI will help track and predict cancer trends using data from multiple countries, leading to better public health policies.
It's exciting to think about how AI will shape the next decade of healthcare. But with AI handling sensitive patient data, how do we address ethical concerns and data privacy issues?
That's a critical point. AI relies on patient data, and protecting this data is a top priority. Hospitals and companies using AI must follow strict data privacy laws, ensuring that patient information is secure and used responsibly. Regulations like HIPAA in the US and the Digital Personal Data Protection Act in India help govern AI in healthcare.
Dr. Iyer, this has been such an insightful discussion. AI is truly revolutionizing medicine, from cancer detection to precision treatments. Before we wrap up, any final thoughts for our listeners?
Yes, AI in medicine is not just about technology, it's about saving lives. The more we integrate AI responsibly, the better healthcare will be for everyone. And if you are a medical student, researcher, or AI enthusiast, this is the perfect time to get involved in AI-driven healthcare innovation.
That's an inspiring note to end on. Thank you, Dr. Iyer, for joining us today and sharing your expertise.
Thank you, Aditi. It was a pleasure.
And to our listeners, thank you for tuning in to Health Tech Talks by iCris Pharma. If you found this discussion valuable, don't forget to subscribe and share this episode. Stay curious, stay healthy, and we'll see you next time.